Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at an application that has changed the way parents oversee academics of their children. My name is Akshay and I will help your business get back to business. What if I say there's an application that updates parent about their child's everyday routine in school or colleges? What if I say there's an application that provides complete visibility of your child's attendance in school or classes? Along with these two great features, there are a lot many features that are available in the market and they are too low priced. Yes, the name of the application is Schooly. Before I share anything about Schooly, you need to understand such applications move offline studies and academics to an online platform. We need to understand why such applications are required with the parent or the teachers or the child himself. I am really happy on the way children are accepting such applications along with parents equally contributing just to make sure their children's future is in safe hands. Schooly is an application that provides end-to-end visibility of your children's activities in school and classes. Along with a lot of features in this application, there are few that I have pointed down and we'll go through it one by one. This is my favorite. Just imagine you have a complete visibility of your child's movement throughout the day. Whether your child have reached school or left from school, or whether he have reached classes or whether he have left from the classes, and what time you may expect him home. Such questions on a daily basis worries parents about the safety of the children. Such applications can provide you such visibilities very easily. Second point is daily routine. Parents can view and recommend everyday routine of a child to teachers in the school and in the classes. You need to understand children spend more time at home with parents and much open. Parents can provide feedback to the teachers regarding the subjects the child is facing or probably struggling with. Accordingly, parents can provide feedback to the teachers in school or class. Worldwide, this has been a large concern amongst the parents. Bunking classes has no harnessing and no count at all. This app provides you everyday attendance of your child on timely manner. Simply by cross-checking once or twice in a day with your child will help huge impact on his results. Fourth point, guys, is everyday homework. Simply by asking few questions about their homework will make sure that the results are great. Believe me guys, this really works and every parent is aware about it. Do not forget, forcing an eye into your child's homework will help them in a great way. Fifth point, guys, is notifications. The changes that we are discussing are informed to the parent by simple notifications. Timely notifications to a parent will help timely feedback to their child directly. In such applications, a parent can very easily provide feedback to a teacher or a child directly from his smartphone. No wonder why we always wanted a workaround for a parents meet. So this is it, guys. Sixth point is live interaction. Whether it is lockdown or a general holiday, if your child needs a support and a quick feedback on his homework or what he is trying to learn, Schooly will provide direct interaction with the teacher on the spot. Children have a feasibility to reach out to their teachers the moment they see a doubt. Imagine guys, problems in our life can be easily solved by small technical enhancements. I want to remind you why quick interactions are important. It is simply to make sure that the curiosity of the child is killed immediately. The availability of such enhancements gives great scope to a child and increases result potential. Seventh point is this is too low priced. Schoolie app is directly managed by their creators. Hence, the application is too low priced. Also, Schoolie is currently the most affordable application across all e-learning courses. This app has a potential to reach medium, high and low societies, overall providing each and every children to their bare responsibility of clearing their academics. To know more about Schoolie app prices, please comment in the comment section or directly message me. Along with too many enhancements to be provided in this application will help a parent to understand if the child is going a wrong way. Parents using this application will have feasibility to correct their children's inaccurate decisions on a daily basis and view it and provide feedback accordingly. Such applications help parents to correct their children's between the semesters and ensure the results are much better, instead of simply waiting for the final results and then take action. An year of a child is really important for the parent. Schoolie provides you a complete visibility over your child's academics. A tiny push from a parent on daily basis to their child will get an option to have good results. So this is very much about Schoolie application. The application on a daily basis is trying to improve and correct themselves as per the feedback provided by parents. You can message me, call me, drop a comment, but do let me know in case you have any doubts. If you like this video, do like it and subscribe to the channel The Golden Circle on YouTube, or follow me on Instagram for live updates. There are a lot of transitions from offline to online segments. If you come across any online segment that you are not aware of, or if you want more information about it, please message me and I'll get back to you on the same. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate the way you have taken my previous videos in consideration, and I really like the way feedbacks have been provided to me. I will make sure segments of online transitions are time to time provided feedback to you. Unless we are aware about the digitalization and how to use it, it will be very difficult for a parent to make sure next generations are safe. I hope you and your family members are safe in this pandemic. Until everything is settled, stay home and stay safe.